Today is World Whiskey Day, so we are going to make a yummy coffee cocktail that is going to incorporate some of our whiskey flavored coffee as well as some Irish whiskey here just for fun. This recipe is called the Spicy Irishman, and you can find it under our blog post, which I will put the link in so that you can go directly to that. If you were not aware that we do have a whiskey flavored coffee, now you know. We also have a special going on for that today. I think that this would be an awesome one to include in those Father's Day gifts too. If you have a special dad in your life who enjoys coffee, enjoys whiskey, this would be a great flavor for him. Okay, so very simple to do. We're just gonna freshly brew some whiskey flavored LifeBoost coffee. If you do not have the whiskey flavored coffee, you can use dark roast for this recipe as well. So we freshly brewed that. We're gonna need 1.5 ounces of our Irish whiskey, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon syrup. If you did not watch the video from a couple weeks ago, we did make some homemade syrups, and this is going to utilize that cinnamon syrup we made. Again, those syrups have come in handy for so many different recipes. Love them. All right, so 8 ounces of freshly brewed hot coffee going in. We're gonna first add in our 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. We are going to then add in our 2 teaspoons of homemade cinnamon syrup. Yum. That's what makes this Spicy Irishman. Spices, get it? All right, mix this up so that our sugar dissolves. And then we're gonna add in that 1.5 ounces of Irish whiskey. Makes a delightful Saturday coffee cocktail and allows you to celebrate World Whiskey Day. I'm going to top mine with some freshly whipped heavy whipping cream and a sprinkle of nutmeg and cinnamon. As always, if you do try this recipe, please let us know what you think, and thank you for watching.